So you tried doing that thing, but you fucked up. You failed. You were completely dominated. But you thought you're doing good. You thought you're gonna finish it. You thought you're gonna be good at it. Well, it turns out you weren't. And that pretty sucks, doesn't it? Yeah. So what do now? You have two options to take. Complain, cry about it, be fucking depressed, or do what every fucking one tells you. Bro, keep on going, keep on trying, keep on trying. Alright. Yeah, everybody told you that, right? Didn't. But here's the catch. You should stay on it. Keep on trying, keep on grinding, keep on doing that fucking work, bro. You did this thing and you fucked up. Do it again. Do it again, do it again until you succeed. But guess what? You're not gonna succeed if you're just gonna be doing it again and again and again and again and again. You gotta analyze and improve, bro. You did this thing right now, and you fucked up. Bad time. Now you don't just go again and use the same strategy and technique, because you're gonna probably fuck up again. Maybe if you have luck you won't. But if you actually want to improve and get better, you gotta look at what you just did. Analyze. What in the fuck did I do bad here? What did I fuck up? Alright, I fucked up that thing. Now, why did I fuck up that thing? How can I not fuck up that thing next time? How can I improve that thing? And once you find that out, you start doing the steps to get there. If that means reading I don't know, 10 pages of book every fucking day. If that means going for a run every fucking day. Whatever the fuck that means, bro, you gotta do it. Do it so you improve. And then you're gonna try again. And guess what? You might fail again. You might fail the next 5 times. But if you're gonna analyze, what did you do correct? What did you do bad last time that you fucked up? And improve everything of that. And keep the good stuff. You're gonna just improve. And you know, when you improve and improve, like, this is the point of succeed. You need to reach this level to succeed, right? And you're right here. And you went up and you failed. And now you improve. So you're like right here. But you're still not above that. So you failed again. And you failed again. And now you went above it, and now you succeeded, bro. You gotta get above the level. You gotta really grind shit, bro. So what I'm saying, what you really need to understand is you gotta analyze and you gotta improve. If you won't analyze your wins and losses, you will not improve. You gotta analyze them, make improvements, find stuff out. Maybe even take your journal, go journal about it, bro. It's fucking amazing stuff. Just you can improve so much if you do just that. But never take the path of quitting, because if you quit, it's guaranteed you will never succeed. If you want to reach that $1 million in your bank account level, and you're gonna try a business and you're gonna fail and you're gonna quit, you're never getting to $1 million, are you? Like, never, bro, never you're gonna have $1 million in your bank account. If you quit, you will never get what you want. If you're a fucking pussy and a bitch, you maybe don't even deserve it. Maybe the times are hard for you right now. Maybe all this shit is hurting you, bro, but listen. So many people came from shit and did it. Do you think their lives were easy? No, they weren't. But once their lives got hard and fucked up and shit started going wrong, they did not say, oh my god, my life is so hard, I'm gonna quit. They said, yeah, maybe my life is hard, but I'm tough as fuck. Can't hurt me, bitch. And they went on. And they kept on grinding. They analyzed, improved, literally entertained himself as well. Said that. He will never be good at chess if he wouldn't analyze his best wins and losses and improve on them. Mike Tyson would never be better if he wouldn't always be analyzing other people, analyzing the techniques and all this shit, bro. You gotta analyze and improve. Do that. Try that. Come back to this video. Dislike it. Comment I'm a fucking piece of shit advisor if that doesn't work for you. Try that 100 times. Try that 10 times. And you're gonna see it's gonna work. And you're gonna say, oh yeah, he said try it 100 or try it 10 times. That's a lot. No shit, it's gonna work. Yeah, no shit, it's gonna work because it does work. You even yourself know that it's gonna work. So, bro, go and do the shit. Stop being lazy, because how do you stop being lazy? You stop thinking about how hard is this thing to do? How hard is it to study? How hard is it to take the trash out? Stop thinking about it. As soon as you see, I gotta do this shit, I don't wanna do it, become present. That's why we meditate. Focus on the present moment. Stop thinking about how shit the future is gonna be. Just focus and be in the present moment. Just focus. Put the shoes on. Get to the trash can. Take the trash out of the trash can. Take the trash to the doors. Take the trash down the doors. Throw the trash in the fucking trash can. Now just go back up. It's that simple, bro. You just gotta be in the moment. In the moment. Stop thinking about how shit the future is, how much time this is gonna take you. If something sucks, but you know you gotta do it, and it's gonna have a positive benefit on you, even if that just means your family is not gonna complain, bro, do it. The way. Focus. 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 Be in the present. You know when you focus on your breath? Yeah, focus. Right now, I don't want to take the trash out. Alright, I'm focused. Oh, right now I gotta study. I'm opening my book. I'm just gonna open my book. First page. I'm focused on these letters. Alright, now I'm just gonna start reading. I'm not gonna think about how shitty this thing is to do. I'm just gonna start reading and learning. I don't give a fuck about how I feel. I'm gonna do it. That's the fact. I don't give a fuck how I feel. I'll do it regardless. Understand? You don't think about your emotions. You think about the stuff and how you're doing it and that you gotta do it. And actually it helps if you just focus on the positive shit that's gonna bring you. And stop focusing on the negative. That's why we gratitude journal. Focus on the positive, stop focusing on the negative. If you fucked up 3 things, stop saying, oh well, I fucked up 3 things. What the fuck else am I gonna fuck up? No, stop thinking that. Start thinking about, well, at least I'm happy I have a house, a roof over my head where I can sleep in the night. At least I'm happy I'm in this country maybe. At least I'm happy that I can take this pad, that I have this light, that I have a phone, that I have this stuff, bro. I'm happy I have this stuff. I earned this stuff. I was born in a nice family. I have friends maybe. Maybe you don't have friends. Maybe you can be happy that you don't have shit friends, bro. There's like so many things you can be happy about. Now you know all this in the side of your head, but you're searching for confirmation on YouTube. Now when you know something is right, you know it in your head. Maybe it's hard to do, but you know you can do it. If so many people could, why the fuck couldn't you, bro? What the fuck are you different than them? Maybe you are different. Maybe they marked you as a different person. But I would honestly take that as a benefit. There's so many shit. Like some people are maybe marked different. Some people just think they're different because like, oh, I'm not high enough. I can't do shit because I'm too short. Women won't like me. Da 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 da. I don't give a fuck. Mike Tyson is 5'8". He thought he's too short for anything. Turns out he became a world boxing champion. You know what I'm saying, bro? It's all in your head. All the negative, everything that's stopping you, it's in your fucking head. If you turn it around into positive, into a boost, have some ego, but not too much. Have some ego that I can do it. I'm gonna do it. I don't give a fuck who says I can't do it. I don't give a fuck who says I suck. Yeah, keep on talking about me. I'm just gonna keep on working. Keep on talking about me. I'm just gonna keep on working. And then, work brings results. Analyze, improve. You get better at your work. Analyze, improve. You start succeeding. And those motherfuckers still talking about how shitty you are. And you're at the top. You're looking at them out of your Ferrari and be like, the fuck this motherfucker's talking about, bro. You won't give a shit. Stay smart, bro, and keep that shit up. See you in the next one. Dab!